the world up for just one day. Watch this madness, colorful charade. No one can be just like me anyway.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an extreme clean of our kitchen and eating area and into our hallway that goes to our bedrooms. I will be vacuuming, mopping, doing some dishes, wiping down the countertops, and I will be wiping down some of our baseboards and cabinets as well. Washed a few dishes before bed and just let them dry overnight, so I'm going to put those away, and then I will unload the dishwasher and put those dishes away, and then I will put a few of the dirty dishes that I have collected from breakfast and lunch into the dishwasher.
Another day to live through.
I'm going to mop with Mr. Clean, and this is the Gain scent. I absolutely love this scent. I'm also going to add a dash of bleach, and I'm going to mop our kitchen area with this mixture. This is the only room that does not have hardwood floors, so I usually just mop with a sponge mop and this mixture, and then I will use some of the leftover mixture to wipe down my baseboards and cabinets. I'm going to use my Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray to wipe down all the countertops and also clean the sink. This is the peony scent, and it has definitely been my favorite lately. If you enjoyed this clean with me, please leave it a thumbs up and comment and let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.
I can hack the world for just one day. Watch this madness, colorful charade. No one can be just like